As in, kamatis pa more. Hindi ako kumain ng kanin. Na-excite ako, may Pinoy food dito. So may Pinoy food dito, ang daming may crispy pata, lamon, tapos, pero yung restaurant amoy Pinoy, so ready na. So yun, kaya sobra. So hi guys, mega love shout out to everyone. So yun ang sarap. Grabe, sarap nga, pero naman, buti may suka. Iyon, kinain ko yan. Minom ako ng suka. Saka sili. Yun ang suka saka sili. Pero hindi ako kumain ng kanin. Konti lang siguro. Mga ganyan lang yung kanin. Kaya yun. So walang kanin yan. Pero sobrang dami. Sa pwede na. Ay, gano'n MJ. Merry Christmas. Wala nang stress. Kaya okay may stress, guys. Wala nang stress. Kaya, enjoy. Enjoy lang tayo sa buhay. Ayun, ito na maganda. Mas maganda tong view. Sandali Yeah, that's a lot of view here in Vegas. Ayan guys, we are here at Nevada. Sunset over there. Ayan, look at me. A fam. Okay, let me see. Smile. Hello, Isa. Are they gonna climb on that one too? Right? It's too low.
They're that one in Alaska. You know,
I know, but in Minnesota, remember they complained because it's a grated cheese. They said Minnesota.
Oh, but that was too tall or something. You can't have this small thing. Yeah, let them complain. They'll move on. Hit a few more homeless on the road.
Stop that.
No, that's not.
Oh, look at the sunshine. Don't.
Yeah, I kind of thought it was pretty.
Hello, si Marica Roy. Ay, gising na. Hindi na makapag-diet. Hello. Walang diet. Share muna yan. Kumain na kagad ako ng crispy pata. Walang diet. Grabe. Paano ba ako magda-diet? Pupunta nga dito para mag-hiking. Kunyari lang yun. Ayan. Kaya yun. Ay, ito. Hello. May jacket pa to si Grace Sofa. Ang tagal ko na rin no? Ayan, ating 8 million in the house. Hello. Magpapasko na. Ano ba yan? Hindi pa tayo nakapag-diet.
Oh, this is a...
sunset na, guys.
The town of Pahrump.
Para ako nahihilo. So, dala Town of what?
It said Pahrump. With a P, I guess we'll see it here a little bit.
Oh, really? Oh, look at that. Nice. Sunset doon. Wow, na-alls. May ganun. Nakadepende sa ulam ang diet. Oh, hindi ako kumain ng kanin. Ayun. Na-excite lang. Maps. There's a maps hat. Oh, that's all. I like the one that, you know how...
Yeah, there's like with
the place... Maybe your phone is, if it's connected.
Yeah, it may be. This one here is a little bit.
Hello. Padilim na. Ayan. Dito si Tinay. Di na ako nakapag kay Tinay. Si Tinay Creation. Dito siya. Going to California. Ayan. Mag-hiking sana. Pero kumain muna bago mag-hiking. Walang snow dito ngayon. So yun. Pagod lang guys. Walang tulog. Alas 12. Walang Hindi na, walang time. 4 na araw lang dito. Go.